Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello everyone, in this problem we are given with the value of y to be equal to 16.32x plus 192.14, and we are also given with the datas. So for all these datas and for the linear equation, we have to graph the linear equation on the same scatter plot. So now let us take x be the number of years after 1990, then dataset can be given as so for the values of x and y, when x is 0, we have the value of y to be 223. When x is 1, we have the value of y to be 235. When x is 2, we have the value of y to be 245. When x is 3, we have the value of y to be 214. And when x is 4, we have the value of y to be 241. And when x is 5, we have the value of y to be 222. And when the value of x to be 6, we have the value of y to be 268. And the value of x to be 7, we have the value of y to be 285. When the value of x to be 8, we have the value of y to be 327. And when x is 9, y is 320. And when x is 10, we have the value of y to be 431. So now we can give the scatter plot and the equation of line. So this is the required answer for this question. I hope you found the answer useful. Thank you.